Alright, it's February 24th, 2023. We're going to fire up this Goodman furnace and show you, Mike, what's going on here. So let me set the camera down and turn this guy on. Now what I was saying was the flame sensor that's on this side up here, this is the one that's been tripping lately. These 3-in-shot burners, I replaced this one on the left, and even though I think it's blowing a little bit better, as you can see, it's still kind of wicking up there on that top left. Definitely not as bad as it was, but it's still doing it a little bit. So, alright, I think this is enough. I'll talk to you later about it.